This worn piece of steel helped start a fire that killed 85 people. It was a C-hook, high on Transmission Tower 27/222. For almost a century, it helped support an insulated assembly carrying an energized jumper. Wire cut into the hook until the remaining metal fractured. The assembly shifted, and the energized jumper struck tower steel. Arcing melted aluminum and steel. Molten metal fell into dry brush and ignited it. The wire did not simply fall to the ground. The failure changed the geometry of a live electrical system. That explains ignition, but not why it became California's deadliest wildfire. The hook was not hanging a wire like a nail holds a picture. 2 C-hooks formed part of the cold end attachment hardware for the transposition jumper. Each carried about 143 pounds. An insulator string kept the energized conductor supported and separated from tower steel. Each curved hook rested against a hanger hole. Wind moved the assembly, rotating metal against metal at that small bearing surface. The hook could look substantial from a distance, while its load-bearing section disappeared at the point inspectors most needed to see. Investigators concluded that the tower's C-hooks, insulator strings, jumper, and transposition arms had served since 1921, except for later hanger brackets. FBI analysis found a wear channel approximately 14/16 of an inch deep in the failed hook. Most of the fracture face was flat and smooth, evidence of long wear. Only the rough upper portion broke during the incident. A separate expert model combined FBI data with laser scans, material hardness, and canyon wind loading. It did not date the damage exactly. It found wear consistent with approximately 97 years of rotation. The final snap was sudden. The loss of metal was not. The line was inspected, but that hides the important distinction. Records showed ground inspections and aerial patrols, but no climbing inspections, detailed ground inspections above 10 feet, or aerial inspections on this section before the fire. Personnel said ground and routine helicopter patrols could not reveal C-hook and hanger hole wear. PG&E's guidance pointed to climbing or an elevated bucket. In June 2018, PG&E ordered climbing inspections for every structure on the line. Crews began in September, but had not reached Tower 27/222 when fire stopped the work. CPUC investigators found the intervals had been met, but the inspections were not thorough. This was not a missing calendar entry. It was a missing view. But a failed hook does not explain a regional catastrophe. At ignition, the Jarbo Gap station reported 18-mile-per-hour wind, gusting to 40, with 23% humidity. Humidity later fell to 10%. A nearby heavy fuel measurement was 5% moisture, against a 17% November average. Lower elevations had gone more than 200 days without a half-inch rain event, apart from a small October rain. Heavy conifer and brush lay downwind. Canyons channeled the north wind. Firebrands created ignitions ahead of the main front. NIST reconstructed the fire traveling or spotting more than 7 miles to Paradise in under 90 minutes. Analysts identified 30 spot fires there before the main front reached Pence Road around 8:30. This was not one wall of flame. It was a multiplying field of fires. Before 8 a.m., rapid spread outpaced information flow and evacuation boundaries. Agencies warned people door to door, through vehicle speakers, code red, and social media. No fixed emergency notification sirens existed, though emergency vehicles used sirens and speakers. Fire also closed escape routes. From 8 o'clock to 2:15, at least 2 of Paradise's 4 main egress arteries were closed simultaneously for 68% of the time. Congestion reached toward Chico. 31 temporary refugee areas formed during the first 25 hours. 27 held civilians, and NIST estimates at least 1,200 to 2,100 people used them. 85 people died as a direct and immediate result. Average and median victim age were both 72, and at least 42% had a reported mobility or medical condition. Officials believed at least 19 were trying to evacuate. These were shrinking margins, not one universal reason people could not escape. The hook explains ignition, not speed or deaths. Those consequences emerged through a chain: component wear, missed inspection, electrical contact, extreme burning conditions, spotting, and evacuation under collapsing time. Within 6 days, PG&E began climbing inspections on similar lines, focused on C-hook and hanger hole wear. Within weeks, that expanded into climbing and drone inspections in higher wildfire risk areas. But small parts need inspection methods that can see their real failure surfaces. Like and subscribe for more engineering stories like this.